welcome to this evening, afternoon call. Again, depending where you're joining, I know that we have an international community joining from different parts of the world. My name is Emmanuel Popa, and I'm the Global Training Director in this company, responsible for the community and the training system. In the next minutes, I'm going to share with you our project, who we are, what we do, and what our vision is. And we thank you so much for connecting with us today. So without further ado, I will just dive in. I thank also, by the way, the technical team, everyone who's behind and is always starting the calls, playing the videos and all that, and making sure these things happen at the right time. So I'm going to share the screen and share with you about the company, who we are, what we're doing, about our technology, about the Depin space that we're building a company in. And I'm sure you will like what you see. We are building a Depin marketplace, an ecosystem, very complex in many, many areas. The main company is based in Dubai. We are called Xeniter Tech International. That's the main company with three subsidiaries: Nodex Labs, Thai Group, and Zoreonx. Of course, it's like a mother with three children. Two of them are building technology. One of them is building the community. So part of the management, we've brought different people on board from different parts of the world with different expertises. Starting on the left with our CEO, Panos Salas, experienced entrepreneur in Greece with classical traditional businesses, international trainer and speaker. He's been building communities for like 14 years. Also was a co-trainer with Robert Kiyosaki on the same stage in the same event. Not an easy task to do, guys. And he is the CEO of the company working behind the scenes. You have myself, Emmanuel Popa, who I am the Global Training Director, as I mentioned, been speaking in public since I was 16. Alex Nekula, coming from Germany with his expertise, be helping us in the technology part from the transition from Web 2 to Web 3. And then we have our Talia Belmonte, our gracious host, who usually helps us with the Zooms, and she's here right now with us, always helping behind the scenes. We brought her on board to help us with their experience in affiliate marketing and branding, and she's helping up with the social media posts and all the Zoom calls that we do. And again, these are just four people, guys, that we are just simple people, but that we love people. We love working with people. We love helping others from different parts of the world, from different expertises. But behind us, there's a group of over 40 people who do programming, coding, the web development, app development, blockchain development, and so forth. A little bit about the Nodex ecosystem. We're building different apps and technologies, our own blockchain, our own crypto token, our own crypto exchange, which will come out. TaiBixPay is the Web3 decentralized wallet which we just launched last month. The Anti app is coming in the spring next year. It's going to be a 3-in-1 social media, secure chatting blockchain, and fitness app. The FantiX app is going to come this fall, September, October, a sports fantasy gaming app. Very, very cool. But we have a roadmap. I'm going to come back to that to the roadmap at the end. Again, as I said in the beginning, we are building a marketplace, a Depin marketplace. We're building a Depin ecosystem. And on the screen, you have a picture from CoinMarketCap. If you click on Depin, you will find out all the projects that we have listed there. We have the Depin infrastructure. The Depin projects are expected to exceed 500 billion in capitalization by 2030. And down there, you have 3 case studies of different projects in the Depin space. The Tao project, which listed at $3.5, reached an all-time high of 730. That means a 205x for people who jumped in the beginning. The Render project, which works based on the GPU of every computer or laptop, it listed at 5 cents, went to all-time high of 13. So a 240x for whoever jumped in the beginning. The Grass project, which basically takes the bandwidth from the devices from somebody's house, listed at 12 cents, went to an all-time high of 3.4. So that's 28x. And those are just 3 case studies from a bunch of dozens that we could take. But how does Depin work? So I connect with my device to a Depin software which collects the unused internet, then redirects it to a mother company, this case Nodex Labs, which is tracking the internet bandwidth and verifying the contributions, which is redirecting that bandwidth to a AI engine who is transforming the bandwidth into valuable resources that are needed by companies who do cloud computing, cloud storage, VPN, GPI, AI power, ChatGPT, game creators, 3D graphicians, which create their technologies. They resell their technology so that in the end, the user is rewarded for contributing in the ecosystem. Yeah, because everyone who's contributing to this ecosystem is rewarded monthly, weekly, or daily, depending on the system. That's how the Depin space works. Now, what we're doing is we're about to launch this app, Nodex Depin free app. You have the QR code there. You can scan it to see how the app looks. It's going to be a free app. Everybody can use it. And check this out. You're going to be rewarded for referring this free app. You're going to have daily tasks on it every single day to get points. Based on based on the points that you earn in the app, you're going to get tokens. And you will be rewarded for referring this app on multiple levels as a free member. So that's cool. This will be our magnet. The second phase of the app, you will be allowed to connect your devices that have a Wi-Fi to the app and to share your unused bandwidth. In the second phase of our project, starting with next year, we're going to launch different Depin specifically customized and personalized devices, cell phones, laptops, routers, watches, smart rings, maybe a dash cam that you can put in your car to share traffic data, and you can get rewarded with crypto by doing that. But starting with next year, we have just launched, as I mentioned, the TypeXPay decentralized Web3 wallet. It's already downloadable for those who use Android. You have the QR code there to download it. Coming soon on iOS. Very soon in this app, we will have a card, a Visa card, which people will be able to order and spend their crypto with a Visa card. As part of our tokenomics, we have 900 million TCN tokens. These tokens are distributed in different parts of the ecosystem. There's going to be a deflationary system where part of the tokens will be burned, and part of the tokens will be given to those who become founding members. Right now, we are in June 2025, so whoever becomes a founding member gets the token at the price of $1.20. Here's an example of how you become a founding member. You can purchase the $100 node. It's called the Deepin 100. And you get a number of tokens, 83 tokens at the current price, which are put in a vesting period for the next 2 years. And based on this node that you purchase for the next, you get a reward daily and monthly until you get a 2x amount on your investment. So if you put $100, you get $200. If you put 300, you get 600. You get a staking reward until you do a double X on your amount, 7.8% per month. This reward comes in stablecoin USDT or USDC because of the buyback program. But there's other nodes. Of course, we have the 14K, 10K, 7,000, 3,500, 1,200, 600, 300, 100. These are the nodes that somebody can get, and they can be a part of the ecosystem with these nodes if they choose to. Again, you get a 7.8% per month reward. And if that's not enough for you, it's very easy to get to 11.7% per month by referring 3 people to our platform. What we've done in case of a more of a peace of mind for the investors, if in 1 year from now, we created a backup system. If in 1 year from now you don't make 1x, you don't recover your investment, there will be a claim button in your back office. You can hit claim, and each node that you purchase has a device that will back up your investment. If you purchase 300 node is the smart ring, 600 node the smartwatch, 1200 node the smartphone, and so forth. So if in 1 year you don't get 1x back, you can claim the device and it can come to your house. Here's an example of a node of $3,500. If somebody purchases it and is patient with the TCN token long term, you can make a profit of $18,000 with this investment. But the project, the purpose of the project of the ecosystem is not the token. It's a Deepin ecosystem. And we are using a reward system like the major companies in the world are doing, like Binance, Revolut, Booking, Uber, Amazon, Bybit. A lot of these guys are using referral programs. And because they're using a referral program and it works very well for them, we are using a referral program, and we are rewarding people for bringing customers and clients to our platforms. A legal disclaimer, guys, you need to know what you're getting yourself into. Study crypto, study the blockchain space, understand what's going on, understand the volatility, understand the risks, understand the regulatory issues. This is not a quick get-rich scheme, and you should be fully aware of what you're doing. But how do we reward you if you bring us clients? Very simple. The first reward that we give you is the expansion reward, meaning if you are a member and you have a node and you make a sale, you get a 5% commission. Every time you make a sale, a 5% commission. If you reach the first rank in the company, you make a 7% commission. If you reach Builder 9%, Krypton 11%, Graviton 12.5%, Quantum 13%. The higher the rank, the higher the direct commission you get. So The higher the rank, the higher the commission you get when you make a sale. Now, let's say that you are a pioneer and your friend is Zoreon. He makes a sale. You brought him into our platform. If he makes a sale, he gets 5%, but you get 2% because you are a pioneer. Let's say you're a Krypton, you're 11%. If your friend John makes a sale, John gets 5%, but you get 6% because you're a Krypton. So it's based on the hierarchical difference where you can make money when you help your team make sales. The next bonus and the reward that we give is the leadership residual reward. This means you get paid every single day from the amount that your team gets every single day. Remember the Depin reward, 0.30% per day, 7.8% per month. Every day, your people get paid. From what they get, you get a percentage. It's a percentage on 15 levels, 33% total, 15% level 1, 66% level 2, 3% level 3, and so forth. So the higher the percentages are on the first two levels, of course. If your friend makes $10 on level 1, you make $1.5 because it's 15%. So, in a nutshell, you get paid a reward every day for the reward that they get every day from the deepened reward that they get. The next bonus we have is the Team Triumph bonus, the Team Triumph reward. This is the Matering bonus. This is first come, first serve. This bonus can pay you without referring anyone in the system. If you get a position and the matrix fills up under you, called spillover in network marketing terminology, you get paid. The 600 node offers you 12 months in the matrix. The 1200 node offers you a validity of 12 to 24 months. 300 offers you 6 months in the matrix. So when your node expires in the matrix, your position is still there. You don't lose it. Okay? You can reactivate it whenever you want. This is a very good bonus. I'm coming to this at the end. The next bonus is the leadership royalty reward. This is a bonus for leaders. It's not for everyone. It's the people who hit the rank of Graviton, meaning a total sale of with their team of $71,000. That's what they do. And once you hit the rank of Graviton, you get this paid every single month on the first of the month in the morning, based on what your volume is and what the others are doing. And this bonus starts for $500 per month. And it can go up to thousands and thousands. So that's a very cool bonus. Some people enjoy it, but of course you need to be a leader to get here. The next bonus that we have is the hierarchy reward. Every time you hit the rank, you get a bonus, a one-time bonus. You hit the rank of Pioneer, you get a $45 bonus. It's 45 DU. DU means dollars. Builder gets you $150 bonus. Krypton, $450. Graviton, $1,500. And so goes up until bigger bonuses. There's 11 lengths all the way up to the founder. And so far in this company, we only have one legend, some of them coming up soon. The volume does not flush out. The volume waits for you. It doesn't matter if you do the rank in a day, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 months, 4 months, 6 months. Whenever you do the rank, you hit it. The volumes never leave. They're there waiting for you. The only condition to reach a rank is that you need the volume for that particular rank from at least 2 teams. You can have 20 teams, 10 teams, 15 teams, 30 teams, but you need the rank for the volume. You need the volume for the rank from at least 2 different teams in order to achieve that rank. For the sustainability purpose of our company, we thought of 2 things. Number 1, Depin 2x, meaning if you are a node owner, you get the staking rewards of 7.8% per month until you make 2x, until your investment doubles. If, however, you're building networks, if you're building teams, if you're building communities, there's a 4x on your investment that you can make in commissions. Meaning if you put 7K, you can make 28K. If you put 10K, you can make 40K. If you put 1K, you can make 4K. If you put $300, you can make $1,200. Once you've made 4x in commissions based on your investment, you need to repurchase a node again, and you need to reactivate a node in order to continue earning commissions. Of course, this is optional. It's not mandatory if you choose to continue earning commissions in the company. The payments are done in USDT and USDC on the BEP20 network. The withdrawals are done, again, USDT, USDC on the BEP20 network. The minimum withdrawal is $20. You can withdraw every day. You can withdraw multiple times a day. There's a 5% platform fee, meaning from every money that comes in, from every commission that comes into the platform keeps 5%. Meaning every $20 I make, I have $19. And whenever I make a withdrawal, there's a 0.1% withdrawal fee. This is the roadmap. or to say a part of the roadmap, because we have a roadmap until 2032. Every year, we need to deliver 4 technologies, 4 apps, 4 devices to the community. This year, we've delivered 2. The third one is almost out. And by the end of the year, we're going to deliver at least 1 more for sure, if not 2 more. Looking forward to this for sure. And every year, every quarter, we're going to deliver 1 new technology, 1 app, 1 device to the community. We're looking forward to this. It's a very thought of plan. What is our vision is to build a multi-stream revenue powerhouse where we can get the opportunity to people to earn income from multiple sources in the ecosystem. This is the Web3 personalized, decentralized wallet that we launched. Again, a Visa MasterCard will be implemented in this wallet, which will be able to be ordered by the people who are in the ecosystem. And by 2030, our vision is to have over 1 million physical connected nodes globally. We want to give the opportunity of some people in our ecosystem to become node validators, like the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana validators, to make passive income every single year from the transactions that they validate in our blockchain, which is under construction. We are having now a qualification period for the Depin Summit in Cairo, in Egypt, this fall, September, October. The qualification ends June 30th, and there's 2 people who are qualifying for that. Either you buy a big node or you make sales with your team. This is possible. Ask more the people who invited you if you want to find out details. Now, to come back to the nodes we have and to the benefits of the nodes. If you purchase of a node of 100, you get a daily reward, a monthly reward, and some tokens. If you upgrade to a bigger node, like 600, for example, you get a leadership reward and you get app airdrop users, meaning the people who will download the app for free, the Nodex Echo free app. Some of them will be tied to the people who have the 600 node or higher. They're going to be free users, but some of them will be converted into clients and customers, and you will make money whenever they make purchases. If you purchase the 1200 node, you can make money whenever people order cards. What if you could make money when people withdraw money on the card? That's something interesting to think of. If you go higher, you reach up to 7,000 DU node, the $7,000 node, you will be included in a VIP validator pool to confirm transactions and get paid from the blockchain we're building. And of course, there's the VIP nodes, 10K, 14K, which are limited edition and they'll be sold out soon. Okay, so these are the advantages. Keep in mind, you can start with a lower node and upgrade to a bigger node whenever you desire. Now, talking about tokens, guys, the Bitcoin started at 4 cents. It went up to over 100K, 110K almost. Render, a Depin token, like our project, listed at 5 cents, went to $13, 240x. TCN token, our token was listed at 50 cents. Is now was first given out. Sorry, not listed. It was given out in the beginning at 50 cents, and now, who knows where it will go? We don't know. We just have high expectations because of the utility and the ecosystem we're building. Now, guys, I talked earlier about the matrix. You need to understand this matrix. It's very important. It's first come, first serve. 300 DU gets you 6 months in the matrix, 600, 12 months, 1200, 24 months. If you buy a bigger node of 2,150, 36 months in the matrix. It's first come, first serve. The matrix is filled left to right on the first position. It's 8 levels deep, multiples of 3. Level 1, 3, level 2, 9, level 3, 27, level 4, 81, level 5, 243, level 6, 720, 29. 8 levels deep, almost 10,000 people in the matrix. First come, first serve. When you join, you're joined. When you're there, if people come in after you and they take the position after you, you get paid from them every single month. This is huge. First come, first serve. And we have people making decent money from this matrix just because they joined before others, and others are positioning themselves in the matrix after them. If you understand this, you'll get your position because you don't want to miss out. Okay? I want to remind you of a simple truth in life. People don't regret the things that they've tried and didn't work. People regret the things they didn't try. You can sit here and regret that you didn't take a position in this matrix now when there's like 1,300 people globally. That's it. We're about 1,300 people globally. You can take a position in the matrix. Tens of thousands will come. Hundreds of thousands will come. Millions will come. You can be within the first. So you have to basically make a decision and give an answer to the person who invited you. It's A, B, and C. A, this is not for me. I don't do blockchain. I don't do Depin. I don't do investments. Thanks for joining us. Thank you for giving us 25 minutes of your time. B, I want to be a node earner. I want to put some money. I want to let the money work for me. I want some Depin rewards. I want some tokens. I'm good with that. C, I want to be a node owner, and I want to be a business builder. I want to build a network, in which case you're welcome to join. We also do trainings. We also do fast start trainings. We also equip people. So, it's your decision, whatever you want to do. The thing is, right now, you are invited to have a seat at the table in ground zero. You have a seat. You cannot have the excuse like you did with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, that you did not have a seat at the table. Now you have a seat at the table, and you can join when nobody has ever heard about us. Here's a certainty. Deepin will go crazy in capitalization in the next 5 years. Here's a certainty. This company will go big in volume in the next years and members. Here's the variable. How many people will hear about this from you? How many people will be in your team from those who hear about this? That's the variable. And that's what you control. If you want to stay on the sidelines and watch us do it, you can stay on the sidelines because we will do it big. But if you want to come in, come on the field and let's build this together. Thank you so much for joining today's call. Hope you enjoyed it. Make a decision, give an answer, yes or no, to the person who invited you. And we hope to see you on the other calls. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day and a good evening and a good rest of the week.